A very good message.
From the 6th of the second month of 1444, a pentagram spread. 6. The lovers reversed uses partnership to its advantage, rather than being overshadowed by it. Queen of Peppermills is capable of the work she doesn't want to. Distracted for receiving. The Page of Hats gets the message. 2 of Flamingos reversed is a pusher that leaves your thoughts scrambled. King of Oysters reversed is an accomplisher who hasn't considered the cost. And what are your...
Well, definitely something that came out to me, compromise can prevent loneliness. In the end, at the end of the day, when all is said and done, that saying, but in life, compromise, it can, it can prevent loneliness, and it just works out. It works out in a lot of aspects in life.
Okay, let's 6, the lovers reversed uses partnership to its advantage rather than being overshadowed by it. And so, of course, the pentagram, I'm considering, spirit, fire, water, earth, air, that sort of thing. So there's more to the story in the book than the movie.
Right.
But, these twins and something about a raven knight. And the Queen of Peppermills is capable of the work she doesn't want to.
Can you hold that up? Yeah, there we go.
So she's accomplishing her will, but just not at the point where she's fully in it.
Yeah, she's not satisfied yet with her tasks. She's got something that may not be completed, but she's working on it.
Pages, of course, are also known as princesses. But
looking back,
distracted for receiving, the Page of Hats gets the message. And again, I don't know what this... In this style, 10/6. So you have some of the princess cards. You do see this upward movement sort of idea, or upward something. King of Oysters reversed is an accomplisher who hasn't considered the cost.
Oh, there's some confidence. Maybe a little bit too much confidence.
Oh, he's one of those traveling salesmen, isn't he?
He's dressed for success.
And this is sort of the 2 of Flamingos reversed is a pusher that leaves your thoughts scrambled. Well, obviously, smoker dude on his mushroom has just gained the level of control over the situation, but not that much of one. Oh, the next one is like a program unto itself. So 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 if you have any further thoughts, and then I'll figure out.
That's all for now.